Hello, Capricorn. Welcome to your Quick Six, Infinite, Timeless, Weekly Reading. I'm your girl Lola, and welcome to Olalo Taino Tarot. My assistant has come up today to help me with Capricorn's reading. This is my moon sign, so I do love when I do my moon signs. So we're going to get right into the read. We're going to ask Holy Spirit to join us. I'm going to do a quick shuffle using the Secret of Tarot deck. And my little Virgo dog did his reading, is definitely assisting me with the energetic. I wanted to come up here and I couldn't say no. So there it is. We got the start. First card out for the reading for Capricorn. Thank you, Holy Spirit, for joining us for this message. Please keep this message simple. Make it whole and perfect for Capricorn so they may receive it. Ashe. All right. Past, present, and future are the first three cards. Last two are the cards that affect past, present, and future. And then the final card is the soul or the center of this reading. Yeah, the root of this reading, the soul of the reading, or the center of the reading. So in the past position, you have Two of Swords. Two of Swords, Capricorn. So the Secret of Tarot card says peace and harmony, needing to take the blindfold off. The situation, I cannot see this word. Keep reasoning the situation at hand. I don't know, reasoning, that's what I think it says. This is so strange. So, Two of Swords. Two of Swords comes up in the past position. You've experienced in the past a stalemate, a feeling of indecision, a feeling of blocked emotions, Capricorn. You've been feeling that in the past. I'd like to get closer, but doggy's in the way. So let me see if I can slide myself closer to the camera. Okay. You've been feeling a sense of blocked emotions, Capricorn. In the past, you dealt with this in the past. However, moving forward, Eight of Pentacles shows up in the present position. You do have some job satisfaction going on. You're feeling pretty okay when it comes to how you're making money and how you're creating money. You feel good about your education when Eight of Pentacles shows up. It says work. It says work, paid work. That's what the card says. So it's like you're earning your wealth. You know your worth, and you're being paid what it is you're worth when it comes to the Eight of Pentacles showing up. So job satisfaction right now is a big deal for you, Capricorn. In the future, the Sun shows up. Here comes the Sun. On this card, it says marriage, happiness, and bright prospects. So I do like that for you, Capricorn, that there's a possibility of marriage in the future for you. But I also want to say that there's definitely this feeling of illumination, of clarity, fun, success, vitality. This is the card of vitality, of illumination. It is the Sun. So in the future, what you've created, Eight of Pentacles, and worked on is showing up in the form of success and vitality. I love that for you. Nine of Wands. There is a sense of determination and stamina. Nine of Wands, the picture says, went to the battle and been to the battle, won the war. You made it through. There was some conflict that you had to go through, but you made it through. This says undecided, need to take a step out of the situation, then you will see more clearly. There is this sense of not being able to see completely. When you move outside, as you can see, he's outside of the wands, he can see more clearly that there is green pastures behind him, and a possibility for a better future is behind those wands. So Nine of Wands shows up to tell you that you need to have courage and keep this determination to move forward going. Ten of Swords shows up. Well, sorry that you're being stabbed in the back a little bit, Capricorn. Death or ending of a situation or relationship. Well, 10 is completion, and the 10 of Swords is definitely saying that a relationship for you is ending. It could be a love ship. It could be a partnership at work. Sorry, my assistant is readjusting himself. Could be a love ship. It could be a partnership for you at work is ending. Ten of Swords is also the feeling of being stabbed in the back, like betrayal. That's the energy of betrayal in the Ten of Swords. So you've been feeling maybe a little bit betrayed when it comes to like work and what it is that are creating. Eight of Pentacles, and you feel like that you've went through a little bit of battle when it comes to work. I would say that the only thing that you can definitely lean into is the Sun, leaning into that sense of illumination and happiness and possibility. The crux of this reading, or the root or the soul of the reading, is the Fool. So the wonderful thing is new beginnings are always coming your way, Capricorn, when the Fool shows up. So it says you need to take a leap forward. So taking a leap forward, taking on the journey of trying something brand new is the way that you will make it out of this feeling of betrayal, Ten of Swords. It's also the way that you will feel a little less undecided and being able to clearly see the situation by taking a leap of faith forward. Okay? Let's get some clarification on the Two of Swords. Two of Swords. Seven of Swords. Dirty rat bastard has shown up. So you're feeling like somebody has stolen something from you. That's so interesting that has come up as the card. Seven of Swords. We got 10 of Swords and 7 of Swords on the board. So somebody underhanded was working towards your feeling unable to make a decision or to see the situation clearly. So somebody was working towards that happening for you in the past. Let's get some clarification on the Nine of Wands. Well, that's wonderful. Eight of Pentacles comes out again. Okay, so you got double Eight of Pentacles. So Spirit is saying to you, the way that you can get over this feeling, double Eight of Pentacles. Sorry, I would use both hands, but Dogger is on my lap. Mr. Onyx Rocky Stone is on my lap and holding down my one arm, Capricorn. So the way that you can overcome this feeling of undecided or indecision or undecided, need to step out of the situation so you can see more clearly, is to really lean into the fact that you are doubly educated for the job that you have taken on as your future endeavor. Clarification for the 10 of Swords is the 7 of Wands. So, okay. You are feeling betrayal, and there is a fight that has been happening too, Capricorn, especially when it comes to work. As the 7 of Swords is, you're on the defense, you're taking the higher ground. You're battling when it comes to work. And I say work because the Pentacles are on the board, the 8 of Pentacles, a lot of Wands, and this is telling me that it's definitely a work situation or how it is you're making money. There's a lot of battling going on. So you need to just make sure that you are taking a leap of faith when the time comes, so that that you can overcome this battling that you're dealing with. 7 of Wands. You're really dealing with, you're on the defense, but you are taking a stand. So that's wonderful that you are taking a stand and taking a leap of faith at the same time. So even though you feel betrayed, like somebody stabbed you in the back, you're taking a stand, and you're taking a leap of faith. Let's get a soul journey card. Abundance. I am a limitless being, and I can manifest whatever I desire in this physical reality. Well, damn, doesn't that just clarify this whole reading? You are a limitless being, okay? Abundance is your word for the week. Let's get you a angel card number 10, completion. Another 10. You needed another 10 to complete all this stuff, because you had 8, 9, 8, 7. Yeah, you needed another 10. Boom. And it's funny because you had 19, the sun is 19, and 9 and 1 is 10. So there's a lot of completion on the board when it comes to numerology for you, Capricorn. 10. You have great leadership skills. True. Your mind is sharp and allows you to dream up ingenious ideas and organize all the details, then direct others how to carry things out. I am ingenious, and you are ingenious. And this is wonderful to clarify all the things that are going on at work, okay? Use your ability to create ingenious ideas and utilize them to take a leap of faith and move forward. And it could mean moving your job or changing your job. It could mean that. Because that Seven of Swords, that dirty rat bastard, might still be lingering around your job and workplace. Remember, you are limitless. Okay, I am limitless and I can manifest whatever I desire in the physical reality. You can, Capricorn. Keep manifesting. Thank you so much for joining me. Please make sure to watch your sun, moon, and rising for a full picture of what's going on for you this week. Please make sure to smash the like button. Like, comment, and subscribe. Ring the bell, ding, ding, ding. And come back next week for your week 6, quick 6, weekly, weekly, infinite, limitless, quick 6 reading. That's it. You're perfect, all complete, and a radiant point of light. Thank you, Capricorn, and have a wonderful, wonderful week.